Are you looking for an all-inclusive audio experience for your Jeep JL model? Then stay tuned because Wet Sounds has something for you.
So everyone, our brand new Jeep kit is actually going to come in 2 stages. Stage 1 is going to include front 6.5 separates, rear A-pillar 6x9s in the back of the Jeep, and then you'll have a sub enclosure in the rear hatch, which will have dual 12-inch zero subwoofers, and it will also come with a 1400 watt Sinister amplifier, 800 watts of which will go to the sub enclosure, 600 is spread evenly out into the cab of the vehicle. Stage 2 will include a 4-channel Sinister amp, which will go to these lovely Rev 12 HDs so that everyone can hear you from a half-mile back. Or you can back that Jeep up right to the beach and play all your tunes for everyone to hear without having to have a floatable boat where you're at. So this system is in 2 stages, but it will encompass everything you might need to not only enjoy the sound on the road, but on the beach, at the park, or camping.
So if you're looking for more information on this Jeep kit, make sure you visit us at wetsounds.com.